From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, here are the headlines. Federal High Court grants recall process of Senator Natasha. Afenifere Council asks Tinubu to declare state of emergency in Southwest. Now the news in detail. A Federal High Court sitting in Lokoja, Kogi State capital has set aside an earlier ruling that restrained the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) from receiving the recall process initiated by the constituent of Kogi Central Senatorial District against Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. The Federal High Court, in a landmark judgment delivered in Lokoja on Friday, affirms that the recall process is constitutionally valid and aligns with the civic right of the constituents. The court urged the constituents to continue exercising their rights in an orderly and peaceful manner. The development was after the court on Thursday granted an interim injunction restraining INEC, its staff, agent, privies or assigned from receiving, accepting or acting on any petition containing signatures of members of the Kogi Central Senatorial District. The court also stopped INEC from conducting any referendum upon such petition for the purpose of initiating the recall process of Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan as Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, pending the determination of the motion on notice to same effect. However, the case has been adjourned to May 6, 2025 for further mentioning. In other news, the Afenifere National Youth Council (AYC) has expressed concerns over the escalating killings and kidnapping crisis in the southwestern part of the country. It has therefore called on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to declare a state of emergency on kidnapping urgently to stem the tide of insecurity. According to the president of the group, Prince Eniola Olajuni, in a letter to the president, the call followed a disturbing surge in abductions and brutal killings of the victims, which had become increasingly rampant across the country. Olajuni, who spent 12 days in captivity after being kidnapped last month in Akunu, Ondo State, noted that the situation had reached a critical point, with criminal elements operating with impunity and spreading fear and chaos among the populace. The letter explains the level of insecurity in the state and a demand from President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to declare a state of emergency in Ondo State. He emphasized that beyond the physical pain, the psychological trauma is unbearable for him as a survivor. And that ends the news for tonight. You can drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates. Keep watching NaijaNews TV. Good night.